Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, my voice. I have been really sick, but I'm so much better now, and the weather is so much better now, and it seems like everyone and everything is ready for spring, including myself. But what I am not ready for is my very soon to happen trip to Thailand. So today we're starting the series of beauty prep, beauty things that I'm getting done before my trip, in preparation for my trip. So today we're gonna go to my favorite beauty salon in Milton Keynes. It's called Genki Beauty. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't think it's Genki, I think it's like Genki Beauty. But anyways, that's where I've been going for the past 2 years. It's amazing. I'm gonna go for facial and for an arms waxing. And we have many more things booked, but this is what we're gonna start with. And I'm actually gonna walk there. It's like an hour and a half, but it's so pretty outside. I just wanna walk. So I have sunglasses. This is my outfit of the day, very spring. Let me show you. I have a crop top, I have jeans, sneakers, and a trench coat, and my bag, and we're ready to go. So I'm gonna have a long walk. I have my headphones and I'm just gonna chill. And just look how pretty this whole scenery is. This is by my house and it's so beautiful, so pretty, and all the trees are in bloom, and there's all these dandelions and stuff in the grass, and it looks so nice. I can't wait to do this walk. As I said, it's like an hour and 40 minutes, so it's a long walk, but the weather is too nice to take a taxi. I'm almost there. It's been an hour and 15 minutes and it's been so lovely. My feet are hurting a lot, but it's been worth it. I've seen so many beautiful trees and so many beautiful animals and birds and stuff, so worth it. But I am tired. I'm ready for a facial treatment right now. I just got home from my facial and we went out for last minute shopping and we went out for dinner, and it's been a long day and I haven't been able to film any of it because I've been thinking about 1,000 other things. But my face, it's been a few hours, 3 hours, 2 or 3 hours, but it's been one of the best treatments I've ever had. She's done a face massage, but like I almost fell asleep. It was so relaxing, and she made sure to treat all of my problem areas because I had some acne over here and over here, but then everything else was super dry and dehydrated. So I'm super happy, and that concludes the first day of my treatment, beauty prep for holiday. I still have 2 more days. I have an appointment for a massage and brow lamination, and then we have nails appointments. So still a bit to go, but let me show you what we got shopping. And I have this fluffy robe on because I got really cold because I have a crop top and it's been super hot when I went outside, as you've seen. But then it started to get cold, so I'm a little bit cold. I'm gonna have a bath in a second as well. Let me show you what I got. So super fast forward, not the best lighting, but hopefully here by the window is gonna be fine. I got a hat from Primark for £5, but I really don't wear hats like this because they don't fit my head. I have a super small head, so all the hat looks weird on me. But this one looks fine, so I got it. We got 2 toothbrushes because we needed them. I got my partner a deodorant, a sensitive one from Sure. We got a lip balm that has a little bit of SPF as well because I think we'll need all the hydration possible. I got a cream blush from Revolution, Fast Base Blush. Some floss satin tape from Oral-B. This is again for my partner because he needs this on a daily basis, otherwise he has like all kinds of tooth pain. And I got a night cream, again for hydration. So this is everything that we got that we needed last minute, and we're basically done. Like we're ready to pack everything, and I need to iron some stuff before putting them in, even though it's kind of useless. Let me just turn the camera. So yeah, even though it's kind of useless to iron anything because we're gonna roll them anyways because we have a backpack, I'm still gonna iron them, and hopefully they're not as wrinkled when we unroll everything. But Now my boyfriend's gonna come and we're gonna go upstairs and finish our packing. Good morning, everyone. Today is a very, very, very happy and exciting day for me. And I can't believe it's finally here. Tomorrow, I am going on the holiday of my dreams. And I say that about all of my holidays, and it is true every time I say it, because every next holiday is better than the previous one or is different in some sort of way, and I'm more excited about it. And tomorrow, it's the day where I'm actually finally going on this holiday. We've planned it for around 11 months. So it almost feels surreal that it's happening, because in my mind, like, I've been thinking about it so much that it almost feels like it's never gonna happen. It's just a thought in my mind, but it isn't. It is actually finally happening. So today, I am currently working. I am not off like other people in this household are. And I have quite a lot of work to do today, just to make sure that everything's finished, that I leave everything in good hands, that I talk to my colleagues and they're aware of everything that needs to be done in my absence. And just like last day stuff. And I also have like a few actual tasks that I need to do today and send them over and get them done with, because I don't plan on thinking about work for 1 minute in this holiday. So today I thought I'd just start a new vlog, just showing you what my last day at home before holiday kind of looks like. We have a long to-do list that we need to do. My partner is off work today, so his holiday already started, but not really, because he's gonna do the majority of work around the house because he's off. First of all, if you can see, we have these dining chairs. We've had them for like 3 weeks and they're still here. And I put them inside the house because it rained, but usually they're outside. But my partner needs to go to the tip and get rid of those, because they are, if you can see, they're like over, like the cushioning is gone, everything is bad. So we need to get rid of them. And then we have like random final day tasks, like lowering the temperature in the house, throwing the trash out, things like this. But I'll show you everything that I'm gonna be doing. I have a lot of calls today. It's currently 9:28. I'm in calls from 9:30 to 12, from 12:30 to 1:30, and from 2:30 to 5. So it is a full-on day, but I'm excited because from tomorrow onwards, I can just relax. And yeah, I'll keep you updated on what's going on today, and more exciting, what's going on after I finish work, because in the meantime, it's just gonna be me staring at my computer. It's time for a quick lunch, and now that I'm doing this, I'm just gonna make a salad. I'm also gonna be emptying the fridge, so we have a few things left that I need to get rid of, so I'm gonna be using the parmesan for the salad. What else? This I can eat, or we can take with us in the morning. But yeah, that's kind of everything. We have some tomato we need to use up, so I'm just gonna empty out as much as possible. It's currently 20 to 8. I am not done with work. I still have about an hour and a half, and then I'll be like fully finished. But I stopped for a little bit because we're having our dinner. Very good. So I will be eating, and then I'll go back to my work, and then we'll be doing those bits and bobs that still need to be done around the house. So I'll keep you updated. actually 6 in the morning and I woke up super early because I wanted to make sure that all the vlogs are up, do any last minute things that need to be done. We need to leave at 7:30, so I still have about an hour and a half. I haven't showered yet. I've just brushed my teeth and calmed down because I wanted to chat with you. It's happening, like we're going. It is so surreal because usually when we go somewhere abroad, we have to wake up like 1 in the morning and get the car and park and go to the airport and stuff. But today we're actually taking a National Express, so it's gonna be a way smoother journey. I'm probably gonna sleep because I'm running on 5 hours of sleep at the moment. But I just wanted to let you know that yesterday we finished up everything in the house. Let me show you. We brought Simba's automatic feeder downstairs and now he's just staring at it because it's not 7 yet when it triggers. Then we have the last extra bit of stuff in there. Our shoes are ready, our backpacks, mine and my partner's. So I think we are ready to go. And that being said, I'm gonna leave you here. This is gonna be the last vlog before holiday. I hope you enjoyed this kind of prep with me. And if you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel to be prepared for all the Thailand vlogs. See you later. Bye.